Alright guys, I'm Derek.
I'm Austin. I was like round Austin.
I'm Derek.
I'm Austin.
Welcome to Sugarside Garage. Fuck that over again.
Yeah.
What's up guys, I'm Derek.
Austin.
Welcome to Sugarside Garage. We're gonna dive back in on this truck. Got some powder coated parts for you guys.
We're gonna show you the parts now, they're over here.
Alright, so we got powder coated parts back. And I'm gonna turn it around, show you. They are beautiful. Let Derek explain the story of them though.
I'm getting them done at a local powder coat shop here in town. And I've had a few things done by them in the past. They didn't have the color I wanted. Well, they said, go ahead, get on prismatic.com and order what you want. So I did that, delivered it down. Took about 2 weeks. They powder coated them, showed up to powder coat, and they were purple. That is not what I was hoping for. We'll throw in some pictures of what they look like. That's not at all what I was hoping for. This is what we got, man. We got Illusion Blueberry, went ahead and did the spider, compressor housing, both pipes, and then underneath here is that. All it is a backer for this. This is the wiring underneath the hood of the truck. We just kind of doing a little color comparison, and it turned out pretty close. I think this is gonna look pretty good. So if you guys want to, let's jump in and get these parts installed.
Yeah, so like you said, we're trying to match up colors here, kind of with a blue theme. Got the boots here, a little bit of soap, a little bit of water. Dunk. Just gotta agitate them a little bit, They'll be just fine. They're gonna be sparkly clean when they come out. Time to hop in, get her back together. All right, so unfortunately, about 40 minutes worth of video somehow got corrupt. I was able to recover about 25 minutes worth, but no audio on any of it. And on top of that, I tried to get the camera in close while I put the wastegate on, and somehow I accidentally fat-fingered that to a time-lapse. Wasn't supposed to be a time-lapse. So I'm just going to significantly cut down that 25 minutes of video and turn that and the wastegate all into one big time-lapse. So enjoy. So apparently this is just going to be the episode of technical goofs. That was not supposed to be a time lapse, but it happens. What are you going to do? All right, well, on to the next thing. All right, on to the next step, and that would be spider.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Time to get some more pretty parts on here, and it's going great.
Gonna need to grab my special bent screwdriver, flathead.
High quality.
High quality. I bent this about 4 years ago to adjust the fingers on a clutch for a 560 tractor. And this thing has come in super handy ever since. Alright, so we'll just get that in there, pull the boot loose. Or pull it back anyway, I should say. Kind of run that around there. Wiggle, push, pull her out, and you're done. 8 mil right here, 11 on these clamps, and 8 on your connections to your head.
Finishing up some cleaning here. Got stuff in the parts washer.
The manual parts washer, don't judge me. You're gonna piss everybody off.
Say hi. This one's name is Cal. So's that one.
So take a trip with me into mental breakdown We got to put this bad, Larry, down on the intercooler side. That's not the issue. The issue is getting the pipe in here without scratching it. And just be careful. If it's just your normal pipe with, you know, nothing pretty on it, it's really not that bad. Just pull it out from this side, kind of rotate it around, and it'll go in. But I'm just having a mental breakdown for no reason.
Almost got it. Oh. Get you some light in the shot. I don't know what let's do. Shiitake mushrooms.
God damn it.
Use that as a lineup.
Dude, I've always done it this way. And just like that, boys, I'll tell you, spaz out and put in one hot side.
Alright, so it has been a few days now since we were last on this. We did get the other side on. I didn't really want to bore you with that. It's no different than the other side, really. Got a few miles on it now. Wastegate is not closing all the way. Why, I don't know. Now we got this guy here. I don't really know why. Hoping a few turns will tighten it up. It might just be barely getting past a little bit, just barely leaking. But what we're going to do now is kind of start it here. We're going to get the battery, washer, start getting all this stuff here out of the way. Because we're going to try to clean up some wiring, see if we can get any slack out of it down there. And on top of that, everything here just needs cleaned. Everything's dirty. Gonna get all this here out. See what kind of slack we can get out of the wiring. Get everything in a nice new loom, cleaned up. And we'll bring you back as soon as we're done with all that. Alright, so a little update on where we are right now. Got about everything we need to remove removed. Just start cleaning up, try to get to this wiring. We were hoping to be able to disconnect everything from the headlight down there, if you can see that. I don't know. But we think we've got enough slack. I think we've got just enough slack to get that where we want it anyways. So whenever Amazon shows up with the new loom, we'll start on that. Till then, I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Alright, so Amazon has come and gone. And some work has been done. Unfortunately, it didn't get a whole lot of filming done on all that, but everything's got the wire loom. Everything's done, put back in, good to go. So it is now the week of, the Monday before Slamology. So it is crunch time. We're trying to get everything, and I mean everything, polished, wiped down, clean, waxed, spit on, all the above. Got the toothbrushes out. We're trying to get everything here. So with that said, brought the sound system. She's done. Sounds good too. We're gonna go ahead and end this video here. All that will be coming up in a later video. Time to be determined. So if you're interested in seeing all that,
Thanks for watching. Guys, stay tuned.